Modern technology into banking plays a major role. Almost every bank is trying to come on platform.
A lot has evolved. It used to be such a straightforward transaction. Every person goes to the bank and they come out, they can be verified in person. But technology has since transformed.
You don't want your customers to come with their national registration forms or cards or passports, because that is ridiculous. And the other example I'll give you is around fraud. Fraudulent people are doing SIM swaps and defrauding the poor people. But there is a way of us checking that very quickly, because it's easy for me to call an API, a KYC API from Genosis, and they will be able to tell me that this is a bona fide identity of this person.
So we enable that by using APIs that verify the client's information without the client having to do anything in front, just giving the right consent at the right stage, and we fetch the information so that the client can be verified using things like facial recognition and also KYC.
APIs provide a very flexible way of consuming valuable information. At the same time, it's very secure. So moving forward, the opportunities for partnerships are higher than ever before. It's partnership as a new form of competition amongst the banks and the fintechs and the enablers such as Genosis.
The future of collaborations like this in the banking space will speak to financial inclusion. It will speak to services that will really continue to move the dial on mobile identity, and it will also move to low-code, no-code solutions. How can our clients and the bank's clients have access to low-code, no-code solutions to deliver services cheaper, better, and faster?